Everyone says salespeople need to listen better. How are we supposed to listen? So why not talk about how to listen better? Certain natural behavior traits salespeople often have make it difficult to listen. But passion and desire to improve can overcome those traits. The idea is to get your prospect to talk, but you can talk also, and knowing what to say can help improve your listening skills. So here's what you can say. Ouch, gosh, gee, wow. There are other words like these that you can use designed to keep them talking. Once you have spoken, tilt your head to the side and effort to listen. Every animal on the planet tilts its head when it sees something interesting. So look right at your client as you tilt your head. Anything else you say should be a question. Could you tell me more about that? Could you maybe give me an example there? What did you do to resolve that? Why do you suppose that didn't work? Have you totally given up any hope of ever resolving this? So if everything stays the same and nothing changes, can you live with it? If they say no, then ask, well, what were you hoping I could do? By the way, we have a weekly web-based workshop as part of our program. This is one of those things we help people with, and we look forward to working with you.